How's it going? Episode 2 of the crypto portfolio review. I've updated the coins that I mentioned last video, so this is now my full portfolio with the buys that I've made in the last few months. So it turns out I've actually got 50% stocks and shares and 50% crypto, which is a bit risky, I know, but I'm sticking with it, just see how it goes. Top movers this week is Ada or Cardano. Done pretty well over the last month, really. XLM or Stellar, the competitor to Ripple, had a bit of a breakout. And basic attention token or BAT, smaller breakout, but this is a less volatile coin generally, but still I find very good using the Brave browser. You get ads on most browsers anyway, unless you're going to use ad block, so you might as well sort of get some free crypto for it. So I quite like that. That was the three sort of big movers this week. Not too much else sort of moving. Bitcoin's fairly flat. We have had the Twitter hack in the last week. Don't know if anybody saw. There was a major hack on a number of big Twitter accounts. Barack Obama, Kanye West, people like that, Elon Musk. Supposedly offering a double your money, you send me 1 Bitcoin and I'll send you 2 scam, basically. You find a lot of these live videos actually on YouTube, sort of impersonating big names, basically. Send me 1 Bitcoin and I'll send you 2 type thing. They're all scams. I find sort of if you see any, report them, and hopefully they can sort of be put to an end, because it's just bad for the crypto industry, really, as far as sort of the general public see it. So this is the portfolio for the week. Any queries or comments, please leave them down below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.